Hey guys, Anika here. Recently, I gave my son's room a dinosaur-themed makeover. I needed something on top of his bed to complete the look, and I immediately thought about a canopy that looked like a tent, so he can imagine camping in the wild. This is a really easy project using simple off-the-shelf items, no sewing required. Let's get started. So here's what you need. 1/2-inch diameter, 18-inch long steel pipes, 1/2-inch floor flanges, 1/2-inch iron caps, and a drop cloth, and I got one that was 15 feet long and 48 inches wide. Plus you also need anchors and screws for your wall type. I have a link to all the sources in the description below. So here's the deal. The bed is 44 inches wide, so half of that is 22 inches, but I want to leave about 4 inches on the side next to the wall to allow for the fabric to fall. And then I'm going down about 1.5 feet from the ceiling. So I'm going to mark 26 inches, so that's 22 plus 4 inches that way and 18 inches down over here. And then I'm going to go down another foot and go out 22 inches to the end of the bed, and then add 2 inches to give some space next to the bed for the fabric to fall. And same thing here, I'm gonna go 22 inches and a couple inches over, so 24 inches. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's how we are going to attach the flanges to the wall. The marked locations were the center of the flanges, and I used those to mark the locations of the screws. Then I went ahead and added the anchors to the two opposite locations. I wanted to see if just the 2 anchors would be strong enough to hold the pipe in place, since there was only going to be a light drop cloth over it. But that was not the case, and I didn't want my son to pull the fabric while playing and bring it down. So just to be safe, I added all 4 anchors to each of the floor flanges. Once all the 3 flanges and pipes were attached, I added the iron caps to the ends. Now for the drop cloth. My drop cloth is 48 inches wide and I needed 24 inches, so I just cut it in half. I like using a drop cloth because not only does it imitate a tent, but because also 3 of its edges are already finished. And you can simply sew the raw edge, or you can use hot glue. Then I just draped it over the pipes to make for a simple canopy over the bed. It's a simple project, but my son is having so much fun with it, and I think it really completes his room. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. Be sure to check out this dinosaur-themed shelf I made for him a while ago. Also, I think you will enjoy this project. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future projects. Bye!